Saori Premium Japanese Sauce and
Saori's husband.
with Melbourne total lockdown suddenly.
It's okay.
Yeah, I think a lot of people are quite stressed. I was. Show me my rice I cooked this morning.
Saori cooked this rice this morning. She put it in the rice cooker.
After washed.
Yeah. And then when it was finished, she opened it up and she forgot to put water in there.
Lots of businesses, especially with Valentine's Day, cafe, restaurant, flower shops, blah 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 blah. So many people's effort has been wasted.
Wasted and lost.
Yeah, so sad. So I was thinking something I can make you guys happy, and I thought I'm a food creator, so let's do something fun. Maybe it's a little too late for Valentine's Day, but it's okay. The ingredients you need is very easy to find. Today's menu is sushi cake.
And it's very delicious. There's another one over there that's half eaten, so I won't show you that.
Yeah, so I made a vegan version too. This is vegan one, so if you're vegan, don't worry. You can still enjoy it.
Yes.
I use soy sauce and ponzu gohan and wasabi chili are fantastic to go with, but I know it's a 5K restriction. It's a little bit hard to get my sauces, so if you don't have this, don't panic. You can use a regular soy sauce this time, and when the world is open it up again, you can try my sauces.
But I'd recommend, I had the wasabi and chili and loved it.
Okay.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.